Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Sana Muzaffar. I am teacher of class nursery. I hope you all are fine at home. Summer vacation सब enjoy कर रहे हैं? Very good. माँ बाबा को तंग नहीं करना और आपने अच्छा पढ़ना है इसमें, इसलिए हम आपके लिए ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स लेके आए हैं. So today we are going to learn about the English, and the letter we are going to learn is, you can see on the board. What is this? We have two letters on the board. This is letter A. This is letter A. You can see this is letter A. This is capital A and this is small a. This is small a. We can also say this uppercase letter and lowercase letter. Uppercase letter and lowercase letter. This is capital A and this is a friend of capital A, which is lowercase a. So you can tell me what is the sound of A? तो आप सबको आती होगी. बताएं ज़रा क्या है साउंड? ए एप्पल. लाइक और कौन सी चीज़ें बनती हैं ए से? गेस करें. अभी हम बुक से भी रीडिंग करेंगे, देन वी विल नो कि हमारे पास कौन कौन सी वोकैबुलरी है ए की. और आपको एक्शन याद है सबको ए का? व्हाट इज़ द एक्शन ऑफ ए? यू हैव टू पुट योर हैंड ऑन द आर्म. So start from here. Like ants are crawling on your arm. This is like ants are crawling on your arm. So start again. Do it like this. First you have to put your hand like this and then the second hand on the other arm. With the sound. Yes, with the sound. Ants are crawling on the arm. Very good. So after this we are going to read it from the book. So please take out your books and open the page where we have letter A. So students, on your book you can see on the first page we have letter A. This is capital A and then small a. Capital A, small a. You can see the capital A and then we have small a. And as I told you, what is the sound of A? A ant, A arrow, A aeroplane, and this yummy apple, A apple. So read it again. A ant, A arrow, A aeroplane. You can fly in this aeroplane. And then we have apple, A apple. You have to read every word with the sound. And what is the sound of A? What is the sound of A? A ant, A arrow, A aeroplane, A apple. So you can see in this picture there is a boy standing and his name is Ali. Tell me what he can see. What he is seeing on the tree? Ali saw an apple tree in the garden. This is an apple tree because we can see so many apples in the tree. We can see so many apples on the tree, and this picture looked like a garden picture. So Ali saw an apple tree in the garden. So read again with me. A, capital A, small a, uppercase letter A, lowercase letter a. And what is the sound of A? A ant, A arrow, A aeroplane, A apple. So after the introduction and the reading of A, we are going to write the A. So look at the board. Here we are going to write the capital A and here we are going to write the small a. So starting from the capital one, you can see the dots here. We have 4 lines on the board. Count with me. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 4 lines to write letter A. So first we have our dot here. We will start from this dot and we will touch this dot. We will make a slant line matching these 2 dots. Start from here, go down and touch this dot. This is a slant line. Then start from here again and come to this dot. Start from here, go down and touch this dot. And then in between we are going to have a sleeping line on the line. This is a sleeping line. This is a sleeping line. So this is capital A. This is capital A. I'm going to write it again here. Start from this dot, go down, 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 down and touch this dot. Then start from here again and go down, down, down and touch this dot. And then we are going to have a sleeping line. This is a sleeping line. This is capital A. This is capital A. So after the writing of letter capital A, we are going to write small a, and this is also lowercase a. So you can see on the board we have 4 lines. We have 4 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can see the dots also. We are going to start from the second line now. We are going to start from the second line because this is our lowercase letter. So starting from this dot, go down, down, down and make a standing line. This is a standing line. Then start from this side and make a curve, go down, down, down and you have to touch this area. Come near this and then touch this dot and हल्का सा उसके बाद अपने आगे लेके आना like this. This is small a. This is small a. So we are going to write again the small a. This is lowercase a and small a. So start from the dot, go down, 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 touch the dot. We have done a standing line. What is this? Standing line. Then start from here, make a curve like this, curve, curve, curve and then go down, touch this and हल्का सा आगे लेके आना है. This is small a. We have written capital A and then small a, capital A and then small a. So can we revise? What is the sound of A? A. What is the sound of A? A. And what is the action of A? A, 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 A. Like ants are calling on your arm. Do it with me. Place your hand here and then start from here. A, 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 A. Ants on my arms. Very good. Now we are going to write this. As you can see in the board, this is letter A and this is capital A and we have an aeroplane. This is capital A. We are going to write here capital A. You can see there are 4 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and then we have 3 dots on these lines, 1, 2 and 3. So starting from the first dot, you have to make a slant line. Start from here, go down, down, down like this and then start from here again and come down, down on this side. And then we have to make a sleeping line on the middle line. This is A, this is A and this is capital A. So then we can write here, start from the first dot, go down and make a slant line and then start from here again and come to the other side and then a sleeping line. Write with me again, start from here, go down, down, down and then O. This is out from the line. So no, this is wrong. We cannot write like this. We have to first erase it. So I'm going to erase this and then make a slant line again. Start from here, then go down, down, down and touch this dot and then come from this side. Now we are going to have a sleeping line. Oh no, this is wrong because sleeping line is not on the middle line. So this is wrong and we are going to erase it again because we have to write very nicely. We have to write very nicely. Start again, make a proper slant line and then on this side and then sleeping line on the middle. So now this is nice, yay. Start again, start from the first dot, go down, down, yes. And then on this side, then you have to make a sleeping line on the middle line. So you can see how nicely we have done in the first line. Now come to the next line, start from the upper dot, come here, this is a slant line and then on this side and this is sleeping line. We cannot cross the line, we have to touch the line only. We cannot cross this. Then start from here and go on this side. This is capital A. After writing the capital A, we are going to write the small a. This is small a or the lowercase a. You can see here the picture of ant. This is ant. A, ant. A, ant. Let's start writing small a. You can see two dots on these lines. These are on the middle two lines, the line number 2 and the line number 3. So we have to make a standing line first. Then we will make a curve from the second line, go down, down, down and touch the third line and हल्का सा ऐसे इसको touch आपने आगे करना है. This is small a. This is small a. Write it here again. A small standing line. Start from here. This is very easy. Go down, down, down. Touch this line and the dot also, and then हल्का सा इसको prolong करेंगे. This is small a. Write here again. A small standing line and then इसको यहाँ से turn करके आपने नीचे लेके आना है. हल्का सा आगे लेके जाना है इसको. This is small a. Write here again. Small standing line. Make a curve from this side. Go touch the line and then हल्का सा आगे लेके आना है. So this is small a. This is very nice and cute. We are going to write here on the second line also. Start from here and then go down, down, down. Yay! We have written small a. Now again, oh no, this is wrong because it has crossed the line and it is not touching the dot also. So I am going to erase this and we are going to write this again. Start from here, go down. Try to touch the line. We cannot overshadow the line. This is small a. Standing line, make a curve, 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 go down, down, down and then touch the dot, and this is small a. We have done the writing of capital A and small a. So after the writing introduction of A, we are going to do an activity. You can see a box in my hand and you can see this board. We have two baskets here with the letter capital A and the letter small a. What we have to do? I have so many apples in this basket. You can see I have so many apples, and this is, what is this? This is capital A, and then we have another apple in which we have written small a. So we have so many apples here. So guess what we have to do? We have to pick the apples and we have to paste on the relevant basket. Relevant means जहाँ पे उसका नंबर जो सा लेटर लिखा हुआ है. जैसे कैपिटल ए वाली बास्केट में हम कौन से यहाँ पे एप्पल्स लगाएंगे जिन पे क्या लिखा होगा कैपिटल ए, एंड देन स्मॉल ए वाली बकेट में हम लगाएंगे कौन से वाले जिन पे स्मॉल ए लिखा होगा. सो आप इस बास्केट में से मैं सर्च कर रही हूँ. फर्स्ट आई एम हैविंग एन एप्पल जिसके ऊपर ये क्या लिखा हुआ है कैपिटल ए. सो वेयर वी हैव टू पेस्ट इट ऑन दिस बास्केट और ऑन दिस. वी कैन मैच इट विद this picture. Matching with this? Yes. So I am going to paste it on this basket. Yes, we have done one. Now coming to the next. Now I am having an apple. इसके ऊपर क्या लिखा हुआ है? Is this small a or capital A? Guess. कैसे चेक करेंगे हम? First we have to match this. ये इससे मैच करिए इसकी writing shape. No. Then come to this side. Yes, ये A और ये वाला A आपस में मैच कर रहे हैं. So it means ये भी कौन सा है small a. हम इसके ऊपर लगा देंगे ये लोअर केस वाला a और ये बास्केट भी डन हो गई. Then because we have so many apples, हम इस बास्केट को अच्छा सा fill करते हैं. So going again, I am having an other small a. So I am going to paste it on this basket. Then I am having this is capital A. And we're going to put this here. Then you can see in the basket I have so many apples left. So again we are having an capital A. So paste it here. Then I have small a in my hand. We are going to paste this here. Search again. I am having capital A. I am going to paste this apple on this basket. Then I am having I guess I should have a small a now, na? So this is small a, lowercase a. We are going to paste it here. Yes, now my baskets look some cute and these are yummy apples. So this is capital A and then small a, and we have put apples on the baskets. Thank you so much. I hope you will enjoy this lecture.